what is up, you guys? It's your boy Jeff, aka Mopar Boy, back in here again, and I am back with another video. But right now I'm going to be testing the DVs in my car with my new subwoofers. First of all, I'm going to be trying it with the seats up, and then with the seats down to see if it gets louder. Now I'm using my iPhone 8 Plus for the DV app, and my iPad mini for the music. So let's get started here. Let's open up the DV app. Just like so. Skip. And now let's play the music. Now that there is with the seats up, a 143. And now I'm going to put the seats down and see if it gets louder. I will be back, guys. Okay, now we are going to do it with the seats down. Here we go. Wow, guys, check that out. A 184. That is a big difference. Wowee. Anyways, there you have it, guys. That is with the seats up and with the seats down. I will be back with a whole nother video once I bridge the speakers. So, yeah. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe and ring that notification bell so you don't miss none of my new videos. I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.